Welcome to my channel Learning with Kashish. Today we are going to learn the number. This is my second video. So tema dos. Today we will learn numbers, numeros. So we will start with 1 to 100. I will tell you how to write after 100 also, but that will be in my different lesson. I will give you a small idea about that. So we will divide this in 4 parts. First will be 1 to 10. First will be 1 to 10. Second will be 11 to 19. Then 20 to 29. Then 30 to 100. So we will divide it in 4 parts, and this will be very easy to you guys to understand how we write numbers in Spanish. So we will start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Focus on pronunciation in Spanish. Basically, pronunciation is very important. Then after this we will go to 11 to 19. 11 is 11, 12, 13, 14. CA is ka. It is not 14. It will be 14, 15. This is very important. It is a little different. 15, and then it is like as usual, like DAC DAC from here 10 plus 6 DAC 6, DAC 7, 17, DAC 8, 18, DAC 9, 19, till 19 is the second, and then we will go to 20, 20. So you have to remember this 20. Now 21 to 29 is also little tricky. You just have to remember that is 20, 20, 20. Drop this E and write I, and then join uno. You have to drop this E, this A in Spanish, E in English. You have to drop this. Just write be, N, then T, and then add uno, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. The thing is that we don't have any space between these two 20 and the number you are writing from 1 to 9, 21. So till 29 we will write that 29. Then after that 30 is 30, 30 is 30. Then after 30 to 100, the same rule will apply. What we will do? We will write 30. This conjunction we will use E. You remember Y? We will pronounce this E. 31. 31. So if we would like to write, for example, I am going to erase this. I am going to erase this. I will write here 30. Now if I want to write 30, I want to write 31, then I will write 31. We will use this in between 30 and 1, 31. For if we want to write 32, then again we will say 30. What we want to write? 32. 2 is dos. Similarly, we will go till 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 30. You have to add one conjunction in that is E. It means 30 and 2, 32. Similarly, when we go to 40, 40 is 40, 40, 40 is 40. So, 40 is 40. So, if I want to write 41, how do we write? Can you tell? This is 40 and then we will add this E, uno, that is 41. Okay. If I want to write 42, we will write 40 y dos. Similarly, we will go to 49, 49. So, after 40, 50 will come 50, 50. Remember this. This is very important, 50. Sometimes people forget this and it is little bit tricky also. We forget what is 50. 5 is 5, 50, okay. And then 60 is 60, 60. 70 is 70. Can you tell me how we write 73? If we want to write 73, we will write, this is 70, 70 is 70, and E, 3 is 3, 73. So, similarly, you will write like that, 80, 80, 90, 90 and 100 is 100. Okay. So, if we want to write 99, so how do we write? 90, then E, 9 is what? This, 9. So, this is how we write from 1 to 100. So, remember again, we will divide from 1 to 10, which we need to remember, then 11 to 19, again we need to remember this, and then 20 to 29. After 30 to 100, it is very easy, just remember the rule to add E plus uno, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever is the number. So, 1 to 100, now you know 1 to 100. Okay. So, now I am giving you some idea about 100 is Cn. Then how do we write 101? So, 101 is ciento uno. Here we will not use E. Okay. Like we are using here na 33, we will not use when we are writing 101. Okay. But it is still 109, like ciento nueve and ciento diez. We will write till 190 like this only. Okay. But if it comes to like 131, how do we write this? Ciento 131. 31 is 30, 30 y uno. 131. This is how Spanish people write. Means 131 is like this. So like 199 also, ciento noventa y nueve. 99 and this is 100. 199 is 199. Okay. So similarly, you remember this when we write 106 or something, where it is not, we cannot write 106, we will simply write 100 and the number. So for 200, 200. 200. Sometimes we write 200 and forget to write s here. So always remember this is a plural, 200. Similarly, 300 is 300. 400 is 400. Now this is the main point you have to remember. 500 is 500. Q-U-I-E-N-T-O-S. 500. This is a tricky. I will tell you in a different lesson how we write this 500. We have to remember this. Then 600 is similarly 600. Again remember S. Then 700 is 700. You remember this also, because here it is 7. It is not 700. It is not like that. This will be 700. This also I will tell you in a different lesson. Then 800 is 800. 800. 900 also 900. So here also, this also you have to remember, because it is novi, not nueve, nueve ciento. It is noveciento. So you have to remember 900, 700, 500. I will make a different lesson how we write bigger number, like in thousands, and 1000 is mil and 1000 is mil and 10,000 is milones. Okay. So if we are writing 1000, 1 mil and 10 milones. So this is about the number from 1 to 100. The basic topic was 1 to 100, but I told you little bit about how we write above 100 to 1000. My next lesson will be from 100 to 1000 and how to write different number, like how to write different number in Spanish. So now you may be able to tell the direction, you may be able to tell your phone number. If somebody is asking ¿cuál es tu número de teléfono? What is your phone number? Then you can tell mi número de teléfono es whatever XYZ 99 99 757 cinco. You can say one by one or whatever is your number. You can tell your house address, you can tell your date of birth, you can tell how old are you, like if somebody is asking how old are you, then you can tell your age. Means suppose you want to say I am 25 years old. So tengo 25 años. So I am 25-year old. Similarly, house number, you can tell what is your house number with the numbers. That's all for today. We will meet with next lesson with the numbers and few questions which we can answer with the help of number. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please share it, and if there is any mistake in the video, please forgive me because I am also new in this. Thank you so much.